Hello guys and happy Monday. It's Monday. I'm shopping a little bit late this week because I went to Rite Aid, and I'm glad I did because I got some extra things added to my Rite Aid card, so I'm kind of happy that I waited. So anyways, I'm going to show you which deals I worked out of, and this deal I'm going to tell you right off the bat is from it's a YMMV, which means your mile may vary. You might not do as good as I did. You might do better. I don't know, but I wanted to still show you guys the deal. The reason why I said that, now all these deals, everybody gets these back as far as the plenty points. What made this such a sweet deal is the plenty points. That's how it became such a huge moneymaker. Yeah. So on my plenty card, I'll show you guys in a minute, but I had an extra 500 points every time you buy 3 of those, or $15. So that was an extra $5 right there, extra $5 right there. And then I got an extra 800 for buying 12 more of those. So I'll show you guys what I'm talking about, but you guys might not have that. I don't know, because when I checked my husband's card, because I was like, oh, I'm gonna do the deal again on my husband's card, those deals weren't there. The pizza deal was not there, nor was that extra 400 points deal from that one. So every card is different. My card did have it, but I don't know. But I still want to show you guys, and it's still a good deal even if you don't, have that extra. So, all right, so let's take a look at what I was doing here. So this week, oh, the sun is going to be, okay, there we go. So this week it was earn 400 points when you buy 12 of these, and then there's a limit of 2 offers per card. Please go to plenty.com first and clip your coupons before you go to Rite Aid, because there's pretty much coupons on everything. That's what makes it a good deal. Once you go there and you clip out your plenty points, so not only can you use a coupon, but those plenty points come back and you get to use those plenty points again. You know what I'm saying? The plenty points will be added in your account, that next day or whatever. So that makes it such a good deal. So, and then some of these go for the big event, the big point event. I'll explain that in just a second. So you're getting even better deals because some of them go for that. So that's what I was working on. I wanted to do that deal twice. And so I want to buy $24 worth of items so I can get back 800 points. And then as far as this Digiorno pizza, let's see, the Digiorno pizza, I was doing this deal where you earn 500 points when you buy $15 of these. And you could do the deal twice. So you didn't have to just get pizza, but I had, whoa, the sun. Okay, sorry about that. The sun was, I had to block it out. But, so when you bought $15 of those, you get 500 back, and it's limit 2, right? So that's any of these items. The Nestle Pure Water, those expired, those coupons we had on that. But there's coupons on other stuff. For the Digiorno pizza, remember we had buy 2, get 1 free. So that's the deal I did. I just focused on those. So I'm going to show you in the store of what to look at. And then I'll show you afterwards. We'll talk about the big event. And then we'll talk about, I'll show you what it looks like on paper.
Okay, also, I got these Digiorno. So they're on sale 2 for $10. And they only have the Supreme because I think nobody thought they were on sale. But when I went to go check, they were on sale. The manager said they were, the Supreme. And I'm going to use 2 of these coupons because you buy 2, you get 1 free when you buy 2. So I'm going to use 2 of those coupons because I have 6. So for the first thing I'm going to do, I'm going to spend $50 or more to use this $5 off. So this is the coupon I'm going to give them first. And then this deal is, I can use this coupon on anything. This is on any 2 simple St. Ives. Limit 1 coupon per purchase, maximum of 2. And that's $3 off of any 2 simple. So, and that is including the water. So I'm going to get these. It's 2 for $10. I'm going to go ahead and grab 2. So this is, they're $3.99. And when you buy $12 worth, you get 400. So I'm going to grab 1 of those. And then I have this coupon for $1 off of 1. Okay, and then the swab body is included in the buy 12, get back 400. I'm going to do the deal 2 times, so I'm going to do $24 worth of stuff. So I'm going to grab 1 of these, and I'm going to use this coupon right here, 75 cents off of any one. This stuff is also included. It's $3.99. You buy 400, well, you earn $12. So like I said, I'm doing the deal twice. And I'm going to use this $1 off coupon. Okay.
All right, so here we go. So what I did was I bought 6 Digiornos, and that came to $30. And remember, I told you if you buy $15 worth, you get 500 back, and you can do the deal twice. So that's why I did 6 of them. I bought 2 of the Simple Wash, which was those. They were 2 for $10. I bought 1 Men Care deodorant, and that was $3.99. I bought 1 Men body wash, that was $3.99. I bought 2 of the Dove Women's shampoo, which was right there. And then I bought 1 Suave body wash, which was $1.75, just to get me over that $24 range. So the total came to $56.73 before any coupons. Okay, so the first thing I had was, like I showed you guys in the thing, I used 1 of the $5 off of 50. So that took $5 off, okay? This can be long, okay? Because there's a lot to this. I used 2 of the Digiornos, buy 2, get 1 free. That took off $10. I used 1 of the $3 off of 2, the Dove Women's shampoo. That brought that to $41.73. Or wait, no, that was $41.73. And that was $3 off, which brought it to $38.73. I used 1 of the 75% off of 1 Suave body wash. All these, by the way, were found in yesterday's paper. So 131, papers that we got, which was minus 75 cents, brought it to $37.98. And then minus $1 for the Men Care body wash, it brought it to $36.98. I used another $1 off the Dove Men deodorant, which brought it to $35.98. And then there was a $3 off of 2 of the Simple Wash. So that was minus $3, which made me pay $32.98 out of pocket. And of course I had money there, so I didn't actually pay $32.98 out of pocket, but it's still a good deal if you have what I have. So that stops right there. Now let's go the opposite way. Let's keep it going. Now let's go back from, let's start adding up. So $32.98, that's right there. Now remember, the deal is you get 2 $5 back. So that made it $10. So now we're going into, it's $10 extra that they're going to put back in my Plenty card. That's $22.98. Then they're going to put $8 back because I did that deal right there, which is, $24. That's $8 back. That brought it to $14.98. The Simple Wipes on the Plenty card, I clipped that. That was $3. Everybody gets that if you buy 2 of those. That brought it to $11.98. I bought 2 of the Dove Women, which was right there. And then they gave me $3 back from the Plenty. All these are Plenty. All these are Plenty that I clipped. If you go to plenty.com, that brought it to $8.98. It gave me 25 cents back for the Suave body wash. That was $8.73. And then I had $1 off the Men deodorant. And Plenty deodorant, I clipped that one too, which brought it to $7.73. Then there was another $1 from the Plenty, brought to $6.73. And that's about what you would pay if you do not have anything else what I have. It'll be about $6.73 for all that stuff, which is good because one of those DiGiorno pizzas, you guys, is $8.99 without a coupon. Now, let me just say this really quick. They thought that when I had to go up there and I asked them, was those on sale? Because there was 6 back there. So obviously I knew that somebody thought they weren't on sale. And the paper said, the little paper that was on there, the little thing said, what did it say? For pepperoni and cheese only. And so they thought nobody went up to ask. And of course, I'm going to go ask. So I took them all because my husband was like, I don't think this is included because it says this. And I said, oh no, let's check. I said, because on the paper, and I go exactly what the paper says. And it says right here, it said Digiorno 12-inch pizza. It didn't say pepperoni and it didn't See, it says pepperoni, but it didn't say pepperoni only or cheese. It just says 12-inch pizza. So when I went up there, the guy was like, no, I don't think so. I'm like, just scan it. And he goes, whoa, it is. I'm surprised. Yeah. So anyways, make sure you guys have them to scan it. Now, let me just say, there is $1.50. If you have those coupons that came in the 1/3 Smart Source, I believe, but you have to check your database, there's $1.50 off of 2. So even if you have that coupon, you can use the buy 2, get 1 free, and the $1.50 off of 2. You can use those 2, and it's still, that will make the pizza totally free for you. So if you don't got the other one, but I didn't have those coupons, so I couldn't do that deal. I had to do another one. So okay, so there we go. So that brought it to $6.73, and then I had 2 more of the 500 points when you, and I'll insert that now so you guys can see what I'm talking about. When you buy, what did it say? When you buy $15 worth, you get $5 back, right? And I did that deal twice, so Plenty gave me $10 more for that, which brought it to a positive $4.73. Then there was an 800 point Uniliver deal again when I bought 2 more. And so that made it a $12.73 Moneymaker just because they gave me that other extra Plenty. Okay. Yeah, that's a lot. I'm sorry. Hopefully I didn't confuse you guys. You might have to rewind. Yeah, but that's not the best part. Check this out. So, here's my receipt, and it's a long one. You see there, $3.99 for all that stuff, and then all the coupons that I used, $32.98. And then you'll see right here, I did the deal twice for the 500 points, so I got 1,000, and then I got 500, and then 500, and then 400, and 400, and those are just what I have right now. But you know, tomorrow the other Plenty points will be added, so then I'll have even more. Like I told you, the $12.73 in Moneymaker. Here's the best part: I spent $56 towards the big event, the big point event. So we're going to go over that now. I'm going to show you guys that real quick. $56.73 towards that. So a lot of stuff tracked, okay? If it says big event, that means it's going to count towards the big event. So here I'm going to show you how, let's see if it show you, let's break it down real quick. Okay. So here we go. You can earn up to 5,000 points or worth $50 in saving when you spend $200. That's for the entire month, okay? So for the entire month, that's pretty much what it is. Okay, so here's how this is how it worked. Once you spend $100, you're going to get $20 in Plenty points, okay? Then when you spend $150, you're going to get an additional 1,500 Plenty points. Then when you spend 200, and then when it get to 200, then you're going to get an additional 1,500 Plenty points. So you don't get them all at once. You don't get the whole $50. They break it up. So once you get to $100, you get $20. Once you get to 150, you already got your $20. So you're going to get another 15. Once you get to 200, you already got the 35. So they're going to add 15 more. And so I'll easily get to that 200 and get that deal. Definitely really, really, really easy. $56.73 counted towards that. So that is awesome, right? So that's all I have for you. I know this was a very confusing video. I probably just confused y'all as I have confused myself, but hopefully y'all got it. If y'all have any questions, you guys know you can contact me on Facebook or just leave a question below. I usually get back with you. But that's all I have for today. I do still plan on going to CVS. I just have not made it yet. Okay, so I'll be going sometime this week. But I'll talk to you guys later. You have a good rest of the day. Bye-bye.